Yeah, we start patrolling right now. Right now they're on patrol. The yellow ones you see in school, you see them? You see them guys? The gold ones together? Yeah, those ones are called French grunt. French grunt. And they really grunt. They do grunt. Yeah. We call them the wise and clever fishes because they're always in school. Yeah, they have an English class because they're French. Yeah, even we go deeper and they get bigger that time you're in college. Oh my God. English. There are some red ones inside the reef, some pink ones. You see them?
Okay, so.
Pink color ones, red ones. Yeah man, those are the squirrels. So the squirrel back home in the trees. Squirrel fish, squirrels. Yeah man.
It's nuts.
Squirrel. We have squirrel in the ocean, not on land. There's none in the land, but we have them in the ocean. You will see them. They're red with big black eyes or pink. This stuff is looking like a bunch of grapes. You see them looking like peanuts? You see them on my right? Looking like grapes together. Peanuts. Yeah. Finger. Yeah, those are finger coral. Look at that lungfish on my left. Look on my left. You see a lungfish. See him? The head is done like this. Long skinny fish. There is in the middle. Third glass. Yeah, right. See him? See him, guys? You guys see him? Yeah, it's not a barracuda, that's a trumpet fish. Trumpet. It's like the trumpet you play in the music band. Trumpet. Yeah man, so make all the fish happy down there guys.
Whose one is this?